Hey, what is up, Ninja Nation? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Caleb, and what I said before, what am I saying? So, guys, you didn't notice 4 hours ago, at the time I posted this is uploaded by 10 o'clock, that I'm actually did a review about 4 hours ago. That was 6 o'clock, and that was, of course, the Falcon in the Winter Soldier. And that video already hit above 7 viewers. The time I recorded this is still 7 viewers, but I think it's above because I'm recording this right now at 8:28 p.m. But like around 8:30 p.m. and the Falcon with the sword, like whatever, but just whatever. So yeah. So guys, this is my second review for today. There's gonna be a third review. There will be a Ninjago review after this. So yeah, that will be uploaded at 11 o'clock. So yeah. So guys, welcome back guys to a brand new how to train your dragon. Your dragon review. Dragon review. Why am I saying that too much? Why am I saying dragon? That's like my 7th time I said the word dragon. Let's say it again. So much time. So guys, before we start up with this review, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys go down below. Hit that subscribe button down below. Guys, we just hit 435 subscribers. So I just want to say thank you so much for 435. It means a lot to me, so I just want to say thank you. So yeah. And guys, don't forget guys, I need you guys' help. I'm trying to get this channel up to 500 subscribers before my birthday, that is June 8th. So if you guys could go down below, hit that subscribe button, it means a lot to me. So yeah. And guys, I just want to tell you guys, I forgot to tell you guys in a few videos ago, that there will be a surprise video happening for 500 subscribers. So I can't give you any sneak peek. I can't give you guys none of that until we hit 500 subscribers. So yeah, please guys, help me hit there. And I know a few of you guys love surprises. So yeah, share this video as well. So yeah, subscribe please. It means a lot to me. So yeah. Also guys, turn that notification bell icon on to never miss a video. Also guys, go down below. If you see a like button, you click it, it will turn blue. So yeah, but without further ado, let's get right to it, shall we? So we are back with another Dragons, Riders, and Berk review. And the review is called Portrait of Hiccup as Above Men. What? Here we go. So I'm gonna set things up. Gonna set things up. Gotta set things up. Gotta set things up. I know what you're thinking about me. Here we go. Here we go. So this, wait, ooh, I forgot. Now here we go. So for me, this episode was pretty good. Like, yeah, again, this episode, again, I'm just gonna say it. But all of these episodes are great episodes. I'm so sorry guys who can't see what's on the screen right now because why? Because why? I'm trying to not get copyrighted. So yeah, I'm so sorry guys. But I want to have a background in the video. I want to have, of course, a background of the video. So yeah. So that's what would be like whatever. So yeah. So let's talk about the characters. Hiccup. How can I say it? I still love Hiccup. It's still one of the most amazing characters of all time. It's still one of the most amazing episodes of all time. It's like all these episodes are of course still great. So yeah, I still really like this episode. So yeah. Then we have Stoic the Best. For me, Stoic the Best is still a very good character. I really like Stoic. Still an amazing character till today. So yeah. And also, of course, yeah, Astrid is, of course, another great character. So yeah, Fish Legs is definitely another great character that I love in this episode. So yeah, Snot Loud is, of course, another great character. So yeah, and we got, of course, Webnut and Tubnut. Again, really great characters. So yeah, Garbo is still a very great character as well. Like, whatever. Everything about this episode was very great. So, if I do remember this episode, I think this episode is, of course, there are, of course, a featuring, like, of course, a featuring everything inside. Like, whatever. Like, there, like, all the men six is gonna go find an adventure. So while Gabo was trying to stop them because why? It's too dangerous. Also, Stoic and Gabo has been there. There's a paper. Like, if you notice, there was a paper of an adventure of course, a Hiccup panic the third, the Hiccup panic the first. Or was it Hiccup? Or was it Hiccup panic the second? One of the two, I don't remember. It's just I don't remember a lot of things. And yeah. I'm really hoping we can get a prequel movie trilogy for How to Train Your Dragon very soon. Hoping that hoping we can get new directors of the show. Really hoping we can do something. So yeah. Now we have of course this next scene. And the next scene is of course the scene that the scene of a few people. And oh my gosh. So like I'm looking at the portrait right now and of course Hiccup looks so much weird. Like he's super tough. Whatever. But yeah, I'm just saying these episodes again are still very amazing. Like the story on and on is still amazing. I'm so sorry guys you are hearing some mess ups. So yeah, I'm trying to fix some mix up. So yeah, again, it's a very great episode. For me, anything about this episode is very great. From the adventures to whatever. No, so yeah. All the stuff. So yeah. So they're trying to figure out a way how to adventure. Like, trying to figure out a way how to find this whole time adventure video. So yeah, again, they need to make about this, okay? Hiccup wants to be an adventure. He wants to find some new ideas, and yeah. Again, it's very like whatever, and that's why they have a treasure map, and they have widows. You know, everything in life, you have to have widows. Not everything related to life, but yeah. It's just for me really great to think about it. Like, whenever that was done. Very great to think about it. So, yeah. Again, it's an adventure story. And then Gabo in Stoic was really mad that the six are, of course, the six of them is, of course, I don't know, not really not followed in the rules. So yeah, the first I don't remember what the windows are called, but it's weird at the same time. Still very weird, but again, so yeah, oh wait, oh remember now, Hiccup has to find 3 pieces to finish up the puzzle. The puzzle. It's very weird, but at the same time, it's a great episode. It's very good. Again, all these episodes are good. from start to finish, all these episodes are good. And in my opinion, still one of the best episodes. Like these right here are really great episodes. Like whatever. And yeah, the first one was of course the ice. Like of course the ice. And again, oh no. Okay. Okay. Oh, why is it doing this? Like every single time it starts moving, it loads again. It goes super slow and load again. I have no idea why it does that. It just my internet connection is not very good. And yeah. Also, again, I'm probably very far away from the internet connection. So, yeah. The first test was something about fire and ice, some kind of way, but yeah. But again, this is just, of course, an adventure season. Like an adventure in some kind of way, so yeah. And again, anything about this episode is still really great. Really great in, yeah. So Hiccup has to find, Hiccup needs to get that second Philly, or else something happens. So, yeah. Come on. So they had to find out. So the second one was of course inside a mini island. Philly. So yeah. So they had to find the final key of the clue. And the final key, the clue is not too easy to find. It's not very easy. It's never meant to be easy. So yeah. Excuse me. I'm so sorry, guys. Excuse me. So yeah. So again, it's very weird. So yeah, and they have, of course, if you don't know, the whole top floor is filled with fireworms. We will know more about fireworms in, like, I believe, the vendors a book. I think so. So yeah. Again, it's still very great. Come on. Come on! Why would you not work? So, yeah, I need to find out what's next. Come on. Come on. So yeah, and then Hiccup has to choose. The next part is Hiccup need not just okay. Hiccup and the gang is in the cave. They try to find a penny from the clue, and the clue did say that they had to pick up an iron piece to be the right piece. Peace. Like whatever. So yeah. So yeah. And of course, Hiccup has something that he has to find. Like he has, like, of course, a door he can go through, and then he found Hiccup Honic the first, or was it Hiccup Honic the second? One of the two. So yeah, and the of course story is bad. What have I told you? So yeah, so Hiccup find another widow he has to find, and guess what? There's a lot of gold in there. So what he says to choose, he has two he can choose about something. Could he choose a, like, he has, like, this is like a widow episode, like, at the same time. So yeah. So they had to choose two things. One, choose the feather or choose the axe. So he choose the feather because it makes sense. Whatever, there was stuff, so yeah. Whatever happened, so yeah. And Stoke was very happy to see that his son has returned. And I really like it having father and son time. I really like that. It's just, so yeah. I really like. So again, and then we have the, of course, the end of the episode. And of course, we have, of course, Hiccup in his father doing a little push though, because the other one, Hiccup, looks like buff. And this one right here looks way more better. So yeah. Okay, that will be it for this review. So why do I say okay a lot? Okay. Okay. I live to love you. Are here to do everything alone. What you think about me? And then what you think about me? Get up and think about me. Back up, back up, who? Think back up, who? I think back up. What? What the heck am I saying? So guys, that will be it for this episode of Dragons Riders a Book. Stay tuned guys, because our next episode is called Dragon Flower. Will be a little bit weird, but at the same time, so yeah. Again, if you do enjoy this review, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button down below, guys. Guys, thank you so much for 435 subscribers. I gotta say thank you so much. So yeah. Also guys, please, guys, please help me out. I'm trying to get this channel up to 500 subscribers before my birthday. That is June 8th. So if you guys could go down below, hit that subscribe button. That will help my channel a lot, and that will be amazing. So yeah, share this video as well. So yeah. Also guys, turn that notification bell icon on to never miss a video. Also guys, go down below. If you do enjoy this video, then hit that like button. Hit the like button. Hit that like button. Hit it. Make it to hit the like button. Please make it turn blue. Make it turn blue. So yeah. And stay tuned guys, because again, the next episode is of course called Dragon Flower. And I just want to say, don't forget guys to go down below and hit that subscribe. Don't forget guys to subscribe to the channel to join the Ninja Nation army. We will see you guys inside the next one. See you later guys. Bye. Ninja Reviews out. Peace.